In between, a string is brought.
So all of those blocks are M1 and M2.
M1, M2. Masses
So
are
the
same, no?
masks are same. Okay.
Yes, yes, it's there, no? Indicated, no? M1, M2, M1, M2. So what is the thing? Find the maximum value of f for which no slipping occurs between the blocks. So the question itself is given a condition. What is that? No slipping should occur. So I'll directly go for now this applied force F is equal to is asking us to calculate that maximum force. So now here, so what is the basic assumption? So let's go for the friction here now. So how the friction should act on the upper block. So there are three blocks are there, no? Blocks A, B, C, D. So the friction will start like this. Same friction will act it everywhere. There's one more, the troublesome. So here I'll write F. Let this be the tension. This will be the tension. Same friction or different friction? What is the condition given? No, what is the maximum force for no slipping occurs? Tell me, like, what is the, when you apply that maximum force, so what should happen that one? Everywhere the friction acting should be the limiting friction. Are you getting the idea? Look at the question. The question he has made us, it's really is going to help. This particular word is something very important. Maximum value of F. So based on this, what is the assumption I have to do? I applied a force in such a way that the friction everywhere acting should be the equal to limiting. That's what the condition I'm assuming it. Then I'm going to write down the equations. So at least shall I assume that one? Because as I applied maximum force, that I'll make the problem a little bit very easy. And all will have same acceleration. Okay, solve it now. You need not to fight with the thing that one. So what is the net external force acting on the system? Or one by one. If you are finding difficult the total system, no? So one by one we can come here. So now I'll give the masses like this. Let me give the name for them. So there's the mass, block A, block B. let this be block C, block D. On block E, I'll write on block E, what is the equation? FL minus T equal to M1E. On block B, F max minus FL equal to M2E. Then on the block C and D, together I'll write it, block C and D. What is the net force acting on the system? Block C and D. Is only the tension. This FL will nullify it. So therefore, together block C and D I'm writing. So this should be equal to, T should be equal to M1 plus M2 into E. The value of this equation 1, 2, 3. So I'll put 3 in 1. So then this should become FL minus M1 plus M2A equal to M1. So what is the value of FL? FL should be equal to 2 M1A plus M2A. Keep it here. Now this is the equation 4. This 4 I'll put in 2. Sorry, this is FL is equal to, one more equation I'll write. This should be equal to 2m1 plus m2 into E, or acceleration equal to FL by 2m1 plus m2. Call this equation 4. Substitute this 4 in 2. Put 4 in 2. Substituting the equation 4 in 2. Let's go for the calculation now. F max minus FL equal to M2 FL by 2m1 plus m2. What is the value of FL? Mu m1g. It depends upon normal reaction between them. So then this will be, substitution of this will be F max equal to FL plus m2 FL by 2m1 plus m2. This will be 2 m1 plus m2 FL by 2m1 plus m2. What is the value of FL? Mu s m1g. 2 m1 plus m2. Our final answer will be like this: 2 mu s m1g m1 plus m2 by 2 m1 plus m2. Okay, this will be the answer. Like this, you will get a connected bodies. You need not to bother. Just stick on to the basic ideas. So even in this block, open a block, if you come across a string, don't get scared. Just the tension will act on the system, like how that external force F is acting. No, similarly, what you are going to bring the tension to picture, and you are going to carry on the problem.
Sir, sir, once we can equate block B and block D, no, sir.
Block B and block D, what you are doing? Water, there's a calculation like this, very simplified way I shown it.
Why can't we equate like block B and block D, because they are moving with same acceleration?
See, I think there's a common sense, nothing to do. This is like a system, no? You can work on. These two are B and D are not connected, no? How you can say?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Let me give one more similar to this. Now these are the applications.